Yep, today I want to show you how to arrange this into verse, intro, hook. I'm a proto and this is all one pro studio. So I want to show you how to arrange this hip hop beat into different parts. You have your verses, your intro, your hook, and stuff like that. So as usual, if you've seen my other how to arrange beats tutorial I did for reggae, I did come to this place, this arrow here, and split by channel. What that does is arrange this into separate patterns. All I have to do now is to come to the playlist and drop it. So the intro, I want it to be 4 bars. Okay, let me change this to song mode. If it's pattern mode, it's replaying from the pattern, which is replaying this one. But when I take it to song mode, it will replay in the playlist. So I don't want the kick at the intro. I'll leave it there and I will contribute it. Contribute. I think I'm right there. So let's label this so that we know where we are. Alt T. I did Alt T there to bring out my time marker. I'll label this intro. I click my draw tool there to mark the next place where I want to put marker. I'll call this verse 1 4 4 4 4, and I'll call this hook. I'll just use H. So Alt T to bring out my time marker. I'll just use H there. Next, I'll call this verse 2. Alt T. Next, Alt T to add time marker. Then I'll call this hook. I'll just put H there and forget about it. Then let me have an outro. This will be the outro. Alt T. Alright, let me contribute this. Contribute, that's the kick. So add it there. Let me bring the next thing. The snare. Let's say I don't want it in the intro too. So I'll just place it here. Let me see. So I might make some variations, but for now I'll contribute. Let's hear what we have here. Next is what do I have here? Let me listen to it. Okay, something to fill the snare, and next is hi-hat and clap. So I'll just contribute these 3 things. Let me see the next thing. Okay, it's the bass. Let me just drop it to the bass. Then Nexus. Okay, this is a piano. And next is let me see it. Okay, let's see the last one. Okay, first let me contribute the snare and the hi-hat. So let's hear it. So let me contribute those ones out. Contribute. Okay. Now I might make some changes, but for now let me hear the bass. Okay. On this one. Let me contribute this one out. Dun, 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 dun. I need it in the intro. So it goes like that. Let me hear it. I think I won't have the bass in some part of the verse, but let me contribute both that piano sound and the bass everywhere. Now I don't want the bass in the first part of the verse. In fact, the first verse, I don't want the bass. So delete. I need to make some variations so that everything will sound nice. This is something that leads to the next part of the song, so it kind of leads you to the next part of the song. This thing here, so you see there, it leads to the verse there. This sound, which is this one here, it will only be in the hook. Here we have it in the hook. Okay, then the next hook, okay, is there. Let me drop this where I want it, which is here. Then let me cut. I want to use my slice tool now to cut here. Then I'll bring it back to this part of the verse, so you have something like this in the verse. As for the first part of the verse, so that's it. Then the second part of the verse will go like this. I can spice things up. At the last part of the second verse, I can take out the bass, so we have something like this. I can remove this for the first part. Dun, 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 for the first part of the second verse, so to go like this. I can remove the clap for one part of the verse too. Let's say I remove it from the first part. What we need again is this Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, so leading to the next part, so I'll just drop it there. I'll also Ctrl V, same thing here, paste it, then paste it well too. So just drop it here. Okay, I think that's it. There's a video on how I made the beat. I'll leave it in the description of this video. You can go and check it out. And also, I'll leave this beat in the description of this video. You can check it out. Hip hop beat. Let's see. This first hook needs one of those leading stuff. So let's hear it. Okay, let's also drop this at the middle of the second verse too. So Ctrl V, and I'll drag it this point so that it leads to the next part of the verse, something like this. Did I get it right? No. Oh, let's hear it. Yeah. Let's add the same thing at the outro. Control V. So let's hear it. Something like this. The first part it won't be there. The second part it will come in. And for the outro, let me just contribute this. Let me leave the outro like this. So that's the beat. Hope you've gotten a thing or two. If you want me to make any type of beat, leave it in the comment section of this video. I'll check it out and I'll make it. A like would be so great, would be a nice thing to do. So like this video if you like it, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm El Proto. This is All One Pro Studio. That's it. I'm the best.